week 23 of the $100,000 stock challenge. My name is Shug, and my goal is to invest $100,000 into the stock market. I make videos like this every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Do me one favor, let's help this video get at least 100 likes. I'm gonna stop yapping and dive directly into it, man. So, man, as you can see, I got $1,000 in buying power, right? So I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me and show you guys exactly what stocks that I'm personally gonna buy. Remember, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not a financial advisor. So before you buy any stocks, make sure you do your own research on these stocks as well. But I just kind of wanna showcase you guys how to invest $1,000 properly and how to properly diversify your portfolio when you buy these stocks as well, right? So first of all, I just kind of want to show you guys the stocks that I currently hold and my positions in those, right? So I got Vanguard, I got 3 shares of that, Nvidia, 3 shares. Amazon, I recently just sold on the dip and I didn't buy it back on the pullback because it shot up too fast if I could come back and rinse and repeat on it. I got SCHD, I got 16 shares. So far I got 25, and of Robinhood I got 2, right? So with that being said, man, I got my handy dandy notebook right here. As you can see, man, $100,000 stock challenge written on the title. So I've been tracking, writing down exactly what positions and stocks that I want to buy as well, right? So first up on the thing, right, as you guys know, with the $100,000 stock challenge, right, you want to first build out 25 shares of long-term stocks that you want on goal of building out 125 shares of those as well. So first thing on the chopping block, I'm going to buy exactly 9 shares of Charles Schwab, right? I'm going to be buying 9 shares of Charles Schwab, and boom, buy my 9 shares of Charles Schwab, right? Then after that, so that completes my first 25 shares of Charles Schwab, right? Got 25 shares of that one, 25 shares of SoFi, a lot more to go. I'm actually going to be buying 2 shares of Nvidia as well right now. As you can see, Nvidia is on a run right now, man. Nvidia is on a mother trucking run, bro. So I'm gonna be buying 2 shares of Nvidia as well right here. 2 shares of Nvidia. If you don't know about Nvidia, please do your research. Like I said, do your research on all of these stocks before you just buy, just because I or anyone else says to buy stocks. And make sure you know how to properly evaluate stocks and know what you're looking for when you're trying to buy these stocks as well, right? I'm going to be, like my last video, I mentioned I'm going to be buying some shares of Applied Digitals, right? I know I'm buying this a little high, but I'm going to be buying 6 shares of Applied Digitals, right? Buying 6 shares of Applied Digitals, boom, right? Applied Digitals, this is going to take the scenic route, so hopefully I could build out at least 50 shares of this before this one starts to run big time. That's my overall goal with buying this, right? And then I kind of want to get into my Roth IRA, right? A lot of people don't talk about the Roth IRA when they're buying stocks. So I'm also going to be contributing $200 to my Roth IRA as well. Right? No, I don't have the Robinhood Gold, so I get 3% match. It is what it is. I'm gonna find my investments. I'm gonna use my mix of what I used last time, buying the exact same stocks again. Do a one-time purchase. Wait, this is kind of weird. Wait, buying items. Oh, there we go. It took a little minute. I was like, wait, where's my money, right? So I'm going to be buying $204.49 because I had some recent dividends in there. That's why I had the extra $4.49 left over. But I do kind of want to show you my Roth IRA while I'm here as well. It's only 8 stocks in my portfolio, and they're all ETFs, right? They're all ETFs at the moment, right? Real safe ETFs right here. A lot of Vanguard, As you can see, got Charles Schwab in here as well, the ETF version. It's just a lot of ETFs, right? Well, my goal, my personal Roth IRA, I'm not trying to be so aggressive, right? I'm not trying to be aggressive at all. I'm trying to really take the very scenic, slow route, long-term growth, and build out some solid dividends, payouts as well, right? Part of my goal, which I don't think I'm going to hit this goal yet for this year, but my goal was to match up my Roth IRA. I don't think I'm going to do this my very first year of opening my Roth IRA, but since I do have my Roth IRA, I'm very grateful for having it, but I don't think I'm gonna match it out, right? So just to recap, I bought 2 shares of NVIDIA, 9 shares of Charles Schwab. I put $200 into my Roth IRA. I bought 6 shares of Applied Digitals, right? And I'm going to buy, I got $382.96 left. The goal was to buy 1 share of Robinhood. I'm buying that, and I'm also going to deposit additional $200. No, I'm sorry, $100 into Vanguard right here, right? Oh no, Lord. Well, I'm not going to buy that one the full share. I'm going to buy that one in dollars and continue the dollar cost average into this one as well. That leaves me with a remaining balance of $229. The reason why I didn't invest the full 200 and the rest of the 229 cents, my bad. The reason why I didn't invest it, I'm leaving that in here, is because one, right, I want to see what the market is going to do, right? Yeah, I could have put the full $1,000 in there, right? But I just kind of want to see what the other stocks is going to do. I also want to have money for my options, right? And if I see anything that dips that I know I can take advantage of, right? So for example, Coinbase is one of them, right? That I'm looking to probably taking options on, right? Another one that I really like to swing trade as well. I mean, well, not swing trade, but rinse and repeat is Tempest AI. I really like to rinse and repeat that one a lot, right? I'm also waiting for Amazon to drop down a little bit more so I can start rinsing and repeating this one, right? So I kind of want to just have some options if I take something to make some quick cash on things, right? That's the reason why I didn't invest the full the full $1,000 into it. I only invested 800. I left 200 in there, and that's what I personally do, right? In case you could see anything else, right? And also, Trump technically paused the tariffs, right? The tariffs will resume July 8th, right? So I have a feeling that the market is going to drop a lot as well. So I just kind of want to see how that's going to go, but I didn't want to not invest as well because no one can time or predict the market. Like I said, we don't guess, we don't gamble, we take educated risks over here, but like I said, no one is expert, so I don't want to jump to conclusions here. If that does happen, then we're going to react and move accordingly when that does happen, right? Also, when you're buying your stocks, right, you didn't see me do it on this video, but I will. I'm going to come back and set my stop loss on all of my stocks as well, right? I'm going to come back, set my stop loss. So make sure you set your stop loss. If you guys don't know how to set your stop loss, I posted a video in this series on how to set your stop loss. I'm going to try to post this on the screen as well. But make sure you do your research. Make sure you set your stop loss and continue the dollar cost average. Don't forget, your goal is to build out at least 125 shares of long-term stocks that you're trying to buy. Like I said, my name is Shug. I make videos like this every single week, every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video. See you guys next week. Peace.